Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
17.3 billion. Daddy, me hungry. Buy a piece of bread. No bread. Buy one of the biscuit them. No biscuit. Go eat one of the bun and cheese them. No bun and cheese. Them goddamn shit. Goddamn shit, man. Cheese and cook food there. You don't want them. But if you don't want this and you don't want that, like say you. Me settle for your bread.
Let's see the next time me and your parent a boy even look on you too hard and I call to you and you even smile, you're gonna know what gonna happen to you.
And what did that boy, man?
What do who?
We not stop watch me.
Who I watch you? I want you.
Not face, man.
So we have a blood clot do about it. Blood clot, yeah. Stop blood clot this up. Hey boy, who you wrong with? Make me blood clot joke. Me want dead today. No naked man can blood clot save the general. Hey boy, you wanna do? Try set me up like no doubt. I've been you now try to get something to talk about me. As a matter of fact, me never want blood clot joke today again. Use.
On the elevator. On the elevator. Oh, well, I'll be a straw in your fucking cup. Well, how the hell are you, neighbor? Huh? Some joke? Huh? Some fucking joke. No, it was not a joke. You listen here, little shit. Alright? You don't have me in Jamaica, and you send your friend Mad Max to come dun me. Alright? It's fucking unacceptable. Alright, and what the fuck are you doing in Tampa anyways, my guy?
I'm here for the Aishana party.
For the Aishana party? Okay, well, you go ahead and have fun with your Pepsi. Alright? Okay, straight bumpers to your forehead, my guy. Alright, but I'm just letting you know right now, I don't appreciate you trying to turn me into 50 cent, okay? I'm barely a nickel. I cannot take gunshots like you, bounty killer. Alright? But you go ahead and have fun. Alright, this is my stop. Alright? You're fucking evil like Tommy Lee. I swear to God, unfucking believable. Fucking hell.
Timmy! Oh, wow! Whee! Let me see how high you can jump, Timmy. Hey, Rod! What the rat did you do? No, man! Broke your bed! I broke your back with it, too. No, what you need for do is go wash your dirty jaws. I'll be a skid mark tonight. I want to know what your friend say I'll be a shit, but you go around and say, you know.
I got a triple king bed and I don't mind sharing.
Come on, Jamaica. Can't beat Mexico. How are you watch my out? Eh? I'm watch man Jamaica versus Mexico. Where is the teeth for my out? And if you have more faith in your country, you know. My out. If Jamaica beat Mexico, me name me shut. Alright.
A few moments later.
Jamaica takes the lead in the 80th.
Oh, sir. I wear shirt the way I am. I just heat up in my microwave first. Can't eat a raw shirt, my youth. Oh, don't this Jamaica youth. Have faith in your country.
Rah. I said the boy was so handsome, and him came upon one expensive date too, you know. The boy had everything on the menu. I say appetizer, hors d'oeuvres, entree, all of them in a heat. The boy had ham, egg, sachets, look here. Till at one point the boy hold my hand and kiss it. I said, no man, the boy have to be my husband. Patricia, you notice you add the H to where the H not supposed to go and take off the H where the H supposed to be. And warm to that, we are Jamaican, so we extra. And so I explain things. You never expect it. How tada, yeah, idiot. Don't hate on me.
It's a long time I wait for a moment.
Attacker. You know about it. Yeah, attacker.
What like Egyptian? What?
You kinky?
Bend over.
Bend over. Why you? Out here. You actually think so? You hear the foreplay? You can't kiss me in the car, they lick my ears out of something. My nipple them something. You know how rush the things so.
So you have yourself for?
Bend over. I'm dry pussy. I say you can't drive me out of a contest now.
Why you have yourself?
No, sir. Your father's DJ rush the things so. What blood clot this?
Calm down.
What blood clot? I'm not calm down. No 1 play, no 2 play, no 3 play. Just one place like me a place.
I'm here. Man, touch you for the...
Don't touch me now. Don't fucking touch me. Leave. You come and chip my pussy like I want same day shipping. Eh? You FedEx? Blood clot this. No. Leave.
And it's right now, Mzell. Like man on a style, you know. I'm here.
Yeah, my style people the most way. Me a blood clot gel. Leave. You got to fucking leave. You come fuck me for 3 minutes and go away. I mean, you come and you come. Leave. Leave my house.
Mumsy.
Don't mumsy me. Leave.
Hey, but look at that. Finally, I do something around the house.
Mommy,
Lord,
sometimes you have to make sure you relax.
Answer prayer. Hallelujah. Continue. Carry on. Good job.
Yeah, man, just go lie down and get some rest.
Jesus, please. What is something? Hey, that's done. Get something to eat. I'm hungry, see, man. But what is not this door? Paul! Yes, mommy? Oh, come here to me. I saw me teach you for the things. Look on the garbage you left on the floor. Mommy, I was gonna sweep it up later. You think this is a pigger hard style? Sit down in there and grunt. Mommy! What you say for that? Alright.
You think this is a big pen, sit down the night and grunt, be all the piggy can be. But come in and know if for some reason, if you sweep something, you pick it right up.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Can You Car. Peace.